Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to customize a shirt using the Cricut machine and any vinyl shoots that are permanent or you could say any material. So we're going to be using the Cricut machine, and you would need the Cricut Design Space app that is there already in Android or on iOS, depending on the device you're choosing, and it can be on any device, mobile or PCs. So while you're on the app, set the machine to Cricut Maker 3, as we are using Cricut Maker 3 here, or the machine you're using, and selection is already made, so you can press got it. When you're there, you have like options, and also you have that plus sign where you're going to get to your workspace. Your workspace has all the functions you need. You have the text, you have the editable image, but we're going to upload our image here. And I already have the image, so I am technically going to upload it on the app that I have here. So I have tested it before, and I will be showing you that example. Now, while we upload it, you can either erase your image or erase the parts of the image that you don't need, just like the ones I have here, so you can have a pretty cool silhouette, which I will be showing you how the machine will cut in this image. So you have other things like edits, so you can edit the image, and yeah, so you go onto your uploads, or if you uploaded it, if you didn't upload it, add it onto here, so it's saved onto your account. And this is going to be your image. So sometimes you have to be careful, as there might be more than one image, and because of that it might cut the other image. And also, before that, you had to make sure that you have it in the right size for you, and it makes sense for the machine to cut it, as there are 12 to 12 centimeters and 12 to 24, which the machine didn't accept. So you have to change the size is according to the machine and to your desired size as well. So now what you can do is just clean up any areas like erase or anything that you don't need. So you already have what you needed here for your image. So because you want it as a silhouette, everything has lines with no color. And now you're on this basic mat. So basically you're using a mat which will actually cut for you, and we're using the machine. So from there, you have to resize and check if your image is right and everything else. And after that, you will have some set of rules after pressing next. And follow those rules, and you will have your machine running. So let's see how the product will look like. Now you can see how the machine is working. It is trying to print the image that we have commanded it to do. So as you can already tell, I had made a Nezuko silhouette for it to actually print. And guess what? It was very cool. You can see how the printer is actually making the image just like any other machine could, as if it was commanded, and it is cool. So let's see how the final product will look like. here's our final product. So hope you guys learned something new and actually had fun making your own customized shirts. And see you guys on the next video. Bye!